Hello guys, welcome to WP GeoBuddy. Today we are going to show how a customer can contact the listing owner on a single listing detail page. So let's get started. So on this business listing detail page, which contains details for many businesses, how can a customer get in touch? While these addresses are displayed, along with phone numbers, email IDs, websites, Facebook, social media, and so on, if someone wants to contact them directly without using those, they can click the contact button we have added. If they fill it in and submit it, an email will be sent directly to the owner of that specific listing. This comes by default with this listing. Once the customer enters their name, email ID, phone number, and message and submits it, it goes straight to the listing owner who can then contact the customer, right? This is beneficial for the business owner as they are receiving leads directly from customers. So let's see how this can be done. First, you need to go into the WordPress dashboard. We have used the Divi theme, so we need to go into the Divi theme builder, right? We have used the Divi theme builder for this. After that, we need to go into the single page template, click on the pen tool to edit it, and then we will arrive at this page. Look, this single detail page is loading now. Once loaded, the contact button we have placed there is coming from GeoDirectory. You will find the shortcode for this, which you need to use. Let's open the layer. You can see that under the GD author action, we have the GD Ninja form, which we will show you. So we click on this and then click on the shortcode. After clicking on the shortcode, you will find a shortcode for the Ninja form here, right? Because this form is coming from Ninja Forms, which we will also show you. From here, you can choose which form you want to display, the GeoDirectory contact form. Now, how do you get this form? To get this form, you need to go back into the WordPress dashboard. Then, hover over Ninja Forms and click on Add New. When you click on Add New, look guys, it gives you the option to choose a form template. If you have the GeoDirectory plugin installed, because GeoDirectory is the best for building a directory site, it provides a GeoDirectory contact form for Ninja Forms. If you click on that, your GeoDirectory form will be automatically created, just like we have done to prepare this form. Now, if we assign this form here, that same form will appear. And for the button of the contact form, as you can see here, you can name it whatever you like, such as contact form, contact, or contact us. You can choose its design from here by setting the background color and so on, right? So if we copy this shortcode and replace it here, you will see some changes. Look, the name has changed to contact form. Now we will save this, and then we will go back to the page and refresh it. Look, the button on the single page will change. We have shown you this for demonstration purposes, right? If you click on it, a very nice pop-up will appear through which you can contact the listing owner, right? This is what we call the process of contacting the listing owner via a contact form, right? So that was it. You can use this. And if you want to hide any details on the listing detail page so they aren't shown directly, you can use the contact guard add-on. We have currently used it here, right? You will find it inside the main GeoBuddy plugin. You will see it under the contact guard section of the GeoBuddy main plugin. We have explained everything in detail about this GeoBuddy Contact Guard on our YouTube channel. If you want to watch GeoBuddy Contact Guard related video, we have provided the link in the description. If you need any help related to directory website, you can book a 30-minute free consultation call with our expert. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.